You guys, I couldn't help myself. We said we were done with this beautiful journal, but I actually just thought of just such a fun little idea, just so random, nothing big, that I thought everyone should try. So I said, well, I may as well put it in this journal because it would work perfect on this page. Now, I love this page and I don't want to touch these beautiful flowers. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to create a teeny little pocket right here, almost like a belly band kind of a thing, but not quite. So what you're going to need to do is find out the size of your page, obviously, and cut a piece of paper. This is regular weight paper, just a little scrap I had left over from the January kit, and this is the size I want for my pocket. And here is the unique part about this, is I had all these little tags, and I was wondering what I could do with them. So I kind of decided, well, what if I just made them as part of the pocket instead? So that is what I'm going to be doing today. Now, you guys, I apologize for not having posted for a few days in the midst of our journaling and our January kit. It was pretty much wrapped up, but I still had some in mind that I wanted to do. But unfortunately, I got a little bit sick, and I have just been stuck inside for weeks, and it has just recently gotten pretty bad. But that is okay because I'll be okay, you know. All right. So to get onto the video, I have all these lovely numbers, and I'm going to be using 4 of them today. Grab your own mini tags, grab anything you want, really. It could be little bits of tidbits, ephemera, whatever it is. I have a teeny little hole punch, and I'm just going to hole punch. I should have lined them up. Okay, so I'm going to grab them all together, and I'm just going to hole punch a teeny little hole. And the number 1 is going to be a little bit off, but that's what I got right now. Oh, the number 1's not too bad. And then I'm going to go through and ink them, just so we can get that a little bit more defined. Okay, so I have my tags for my pocket, and they're kind of actually going to end up being mini pockets on my pocket. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I did a really bad job, but I'm going to be gluing 3 edges like so, and lining it up on this beautiful paper like that, and going all the way up. I'm going to do my 4 next because it's going to go at the top. I mean, it needs hardly any glue. Alright, so I know what you're thinking, what the heck's going on? Well, we're about to just keep going, and we're going to figure it out. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball where I want these other ones, because that's really all you can do. You can measure it, actually. That is one thing you could do. Oh my goodness, now I have to line it all up again. It's okay, it's how it goes. Again, 3 sides. Alright, and I just have my last one. Okay, I don't know how, oh yeah, that's very cute. Okay, and then just to add a little bit more of a classic look, I'm actually going to round this edge and this corner and this corner. Alright, so now I have this adorable little panel, but it needs to stand out from the background page, so I gotta go ahead and really ink anything I missed. Now we just have this super adorable little strip. And, you know, looking at it now, I don't know if those little holes were necessary because I don't even think I made them big enough. So that part's up to you, I guess. But I like it. Like, I think it turned out lovely. Okay, but now we gotta glue it in. And I'm already loving how it's looking. So I'm just excited. But anyway, you're just gonna go ahead and glue your 3 lines. If you want, you could just glue the top and bottom here and here and leave that blank so you can use it as a belly band. But I'm using it as a one-way pocket. And that is the perfect spot for this cute piece. Now I'm tempted to just leave it like that because that's adorable, but you know we gotta stuff it. So I'm going pretty simple because I've just made so many tags in the past few days that for another project that you'll see later, so I might just stuff some simple ephemera in there and just kind of perhaps just see what looks nice. I really do like this one. It may be a little big. This one is a cutie keeper, but I'll go see what else I got. Hey, I decided I might replace this with this one because how cute is that? And this one, maybe later on I could add some little tidbits, glue them there or something. I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff that in. You know, that would actually make quite a cute tag as if it was just glued like that. Okay, anyway, we'll just leave it like that. And now we gotta stuff our mini pockets, which is so fun. And I have some really cute things. See, part of me is just tempted to leave it like this. But for the sake of the video, not saying I won't take it out later, but I'm gonna stuff it with some cute things. And check out these tickets. I haven't cut them out yet, but I'm gonna cut out some of my favorites and stick them in here. Maybe just 1 or 2. Alright, I cut them, and cutting those tickets is actually so easy when you if you have a little hole puncher, which I think a lot of us do, and then you kind of can just clip your corners and it's wonderful. So I can stuff it how I want, and it's really cute. How cute is this? I love that. Adorable. Anyways, you can stuff it as much as or as little as you want. I'm gonna probably unstuff mine later because I really like the numbers, and that's okay. That's just my opinion. It is really fun though to add all of these things in and just make it like an explosion. I think it's really cute to have all these little plants sticking out as well. Definitely don't mind that part. That part is really cute. Some fun blue tags I could also do to add some color. Surprising amount of stuff fits in here. But kind of there's the vibe, and then you just pull it out. It's actually a pocket, surprise. And there's an adorable tag. Cute. I'm taking it all out though. I guess it just depends on your tags that you decide to use. Me, I chose some ones that were already cute, and so I have a harder time covering them up. But I can do some smaller pieces perhaps, and then it doesn't cover up the cuteness. Okay guys, so I actually went ahead and I stuffed everything, and what I kind of came to find is that if you stuff too much or too big of items, it covers up your cute tags. So if you already kind of just have, if you chose really cute pieces, then I don't know, maybe don't cover them up. So it kind of just depends on what you did for that. But for me, I just chose some smaller things because I thought that was cute. And I didn't want to cover up the cute numbers. I just thought this was a really fun idea. But I like it a lot, and I hope you guys do as well. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!